Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to unblock an Outlook email address in just 5 minutes. Whether you have accidentally blocked a contact or realize that vital messages are being redirected to junk, these steps will help you restore your communication quickly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Enter your account credentials, specifically your email address and password, ensuring the information is accurate for the account you wish to manage. Once you have successfully logged in, the next phase involves accessing your mail settings. Click on the mail icon, typically found on the left-hand side of your Outlook dashboard, to enter your inbox. From there, move your cursor to the top right of the screen and click on the settings gear icon. This will open a quick settings menu where you should select the View All Outlook Settings link at the bottom to access the full options panel. Within the settings window, navigate to the Mail section on the sidebar and select Junk Email. This area is specifically designed for managing your blocked senders and domains. Carefully look through the list of restricted addresses to find the one you want to restore. It is important to pick the right sender so their future messages can bypass the junk filter. After identifying the email, click on it and then hit the Remove button. This action unblocks the sender, allowing their future correspondence to land directly in your inbox. Keep in mind that while this won't retrieve previously filtered emails, it ensures all new messages arrive normally. Finally, ensure you commit these changes by clicking the Save button located at the bottom of the page. If you forget to save, your settings will remain unchanged, and you might have to repeat the process. That is everything you need to do to unblock a sender in Outlook. Maintaining an organized list of permitted and blocked contacts is a vital practice for effective inbox management and ensures you stay connected with important senders. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.